Alright, so look what we have here. This little guy right there. The brand new gaming chair for our setup when doing a little bit of streaming and recording. And I finally got the good old Gangsta Dog with me. Actually having a little bit of fun today, if you know what I'm saying. You know, X gonna give it to you. He out here chilling, relaxing, and we out here chilling, just actually trying to build this guy. Actually have a good old time. What are you whining for, huh? What are you whining for, huh? You know, we're gonna be real famous. I don't know what's going on. You come up in my bed, right? And now you whining and complaining that I got this little camera up in here, and now you want me to actually take you out while I'm actually trying to literally look up in here and actually trying to do recording. Man. So we got this new chair here, for our early Christmas present. Thank you, Mom. And now we have all these steps that we got to deal with. We have the back, we have the seats, we have the base, we have the armrests, we have the gas lift, the mechanism, footrest, connector, caster, headrest, lumbar pillow, wrench, footrest rail, and everyone else. You got a bunch of screws here. They can get all that stuff set up. And this is how they set up. They have step 1 combined C1 and C2 with T screws, 10 pieces, and they gotta be twisted. And then install the casters, cover the base center with the base cover, and then install the gas lift. So that has to be done. And then you have to install the mechanism and the footrest rails. And you gotta install those guys. And do not tighten the screws completely to all fixed in the correct position. And we gotta make sure everything is actually thoroughly complete so that they don't actually overdo the seat here, from what I'm looking. Alright guys, y'all know you're gonna try and dominate me today, huh? Yeah, Gangsta Dog in the house. And now, what we also gonna do is we place the seats on the gas lift, and then you install the connector on the chair back, screw them up, and then note the direction of the connector. And you got these little centers up here to cover them up for protection of the chair. And you install the connector into the rear end of the mechanism, and then you do that on the bottom. And they say do not tighten screws until they all fix in the correct position. Make sure they're all well balanced. I know, baby, I know. Yeah. X gonna give it to you. You know, the spirit of DMX is in the house. And see, high energy. Yeah, that dog is super high energy. I know. And then they want the long screws and install the armrests, Q, Y, and U. And we gotta install these guys, put them through, get the armrests down. And now you install the headrests, length adjustable belt, and then you install the footrest with the S footrest rails. If I'm not mistaken, they have one of these that can actually extend it. And then we install the lumbar pillow. All right. Yeah, X, I got you, baby. Lift up the lift lever to adjust the height of the chair, and release the lift lever at a desired height. Lift bias to adjusting the height. Back recline function. Oh yes. This is the pass out time. Lift the RCL and tilts independently. Massage function. Plug in the USB to enable the massage button of the lumbar pillow. Okay. Yeah, work on my little lower back here. Yeah, I got you. Yeah. You like that? Huh? You like that? Uh-huh. That's right. Best believe. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Uh-huh. You can't help yourself. Go get your pet on. Uh-huh. You like this, huh? Yeah, you do. Uh-huh. Yeah, for the thugs. We do it for the thugs. You know, DMX be proud. So, this is what we have here. And it's gonna be a bit of a mess. So forgive me if it's a big mess. I'm gonna clean everything up once I get everything finalized. We got this virtual gaming chair that's up here. And don't worry, I'm actually gonna get like a different setup. Hey, what's up, man? Girl, what's up? Well, why are you having fits now, huh? What's up? You alright? Come on now. Come on now. We got this guy here, and then we got the cover, and hopefully it'll be definitely working well for my back. And now we got these other pieces. All these got to go to the garbage. We got big garbage for that. Got the GT player. Make sure we got everything on. We got these little guys here. We got a bunch of straps, and this must be where you have the little bolts here to hold in place. This must be the massage guy. This must be the udder holder. And when I get down, I am actually gonna film myself doing all this stuff and getting all this stuff set up. And it's gonna be actually extremely fun time to literally do. So y'all bear with me. I lay the parts out. I get to see what Gangsta Dog is mainly doing. And we are gonna have some fun building this mofo right here. All right, we got the big chair here. Let's see what we got. We find up in here and see what we can look for in this. Man, it's a crazy world today. All right. Let's lock the door since we're recording. This must be the player here. This must be the back brace for the USB. These must be the poles, I believe, right there for the chair. These guys, I believe these are the end poles to deal with the extender here. And while we do that, once we get the old one out, we're gonna get this little old chair that I had for a while out of there. Yes, I gotta clean my room back, so please give me about the room setup. It's a little bit crazy, but at least we are getting somewhere with this. And we got this little leg recliner that we got on board as well. This is also going to be part of the setup. Let me get some more lighting up in this guy so we get some more room to actually set up and enjoy. Okay, so let me go get myself warmed up a bit here as we are gonna get ourselves going. Okay. All right, we back at it. Got so many of these pieces, dog. This must be this little stand. This is where the box will definitely be. And I think this is where the stand would be, right here. Okay? Now let me trash this bad boy here. That's gonna go. I'm gonna have to put you in a recycle bin. There's all these other dweebs. That's gonna have to go out. So that one's gonna go bye-bye. So much stuff to bring up in there. Alright. Now, let's focus on the box. Yeah, the box is going to be a little bit of a concern. Yeah. Oh yeah, right here. Oh yes. Oh yes. Alright, this must be weird. We have the tings and the things out here. These must be the screws. This is the screw for the protector. This is how you set up the chair right here. This little guy right here is how you set it up. This must be the air pump. Alright, the gas pump. This must be the little quire that actually cover these things there. That's gonna be for it. This is the little metal part for the chair. Another pump as well. This is gonna be also that. This is gonna be this little foot size there. And these are the rollers, and this is the 5 square thingy also. Let me pull this out the way. Fold it up. All right. looks like how much cars we got. We got about a good charge in there. Oh yes. Oh, put you back. Okay, let me get the how-to so we can start. Okay. Headrest, footrest rail, M622. You see which one goes which. So we have a little bit of fun building today. Now, combine C1 and C2 with 10 10-piece screws. Remove the base cover for assembly. Okay. So, this gotta come off first. Yes, sir. Alright. There you go. Woo! Remove this base before assembly. Alright, this is the metal piece here. Yeah, it's unforgiving right there. This is why this is an expensive chair. So combine C1 and C2 with 10-piece screws, and these must be the C2 guys right there. Okay. Yes, C1, C2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These guys right here. We can actually get them in. There's one down. Screw that up in there. I think it's supposed to be here. This is gonna stay away because we know how these guys are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Oh, I'm cleaning up all this when all this stuff is done. Yep. Make sure everything is fully measured. This is the other one, so I'm gonna project it. Right there. Yes, sir. Right there. And then this guy right here is also going to be the third. Boom. Right there. That guy is there, and Alright, so we're giving it a quick GoPro break, right? We got everything set up here so far. And now, because now my GoPro overheated, we're going to dump this up in here. Get it set up. I'm going to screw this little mofo up in these little spots to make sure everything is running all nice and smoothly. Alright, we back. Now it's time for fun. Okay. Oh. And then this right here is the USB to connect to the computer. Perfect. For your PC, charge up, should want to get a massage. Alright. And I could finally put his bad boy in peace. And now I gotta clean up all of this stuff that you see up here. All that stuff gotta clean. You know, all of it definitely gotta clean. That's earth. Oh boy. Man, well needed. Oh, what did I? Chris and Paul sign outs. Oh, I gotta get used to this chair.